In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a screenshot or an assignment to Google Classroom as a student. The first thing you need to do is click on the class, and so I'm going to go in here to this class. And then you want to click on classwork. And if this is the assignment that you're wanting to complete, then you want to view the assignment. So click here. And you'll notice up here in this right corner, it'll say your work, and you can add or create. And so just real quickly, if your teacher wants you to create a document or a slide, you can click here and be able to complete it. But what I want you to focus on is up here. Say that you've already created a Google document and you wanted to attach it, to add it. So you'd click on your Google Drive, and it would be here, whatever you've been recently working on. And so you would click it and then click Add right down here. And you would see that a screen would come up and it would say processing. So, give it a second or two. And then it's going to ask you to click Turn In, which you would do. And then it'll ask you again to turn in after it shows you that it is actually attaching the Google document that you're submitting. But you might also be required in my class to attach a screenshot. And so again, you would go here to add or create. And whenever you take a screenshot, let me show you this real quick. I always have students that aren't sure how to take a screenshot. So make sure you're clicking the Control and this little window overview button here right above the 6. Click those together at the same time, and you can take a screenshot. Whenever you take a screenshot, it's always in your download. So you would come back into here, into Add or Create, click File, and for your screen, you're going to see an actual downloads. And so again, click on Downloads, your screenshot will be in there, and then you're going to click that Upload button. And then again, click Turn In. It'll process and it'll ask you to click Turn In again. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. Remember that if you make a mistake, you can always unsubmit and then just do this process over again. All right, thanks for watching.